Good morning everyone. I am Iswa Sahu. Today we are going to discuss about boranes in organic chemistry unit 3rd. Let's start. What is boranes? Hydrides of boron is called boranes. Although boron do not combine directly with hydrogen to form hydrides, yet a large number of hydrides of boron are known. It means boron combined with hydrogen to give hydrides. These hydrides are covalent compounds and are called boranes by analogy with alkanes. These are electron-deficient compounds. Types: boranes are of two types. First, BnHn plus 4 type, where N may be 2, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 18. These type of boranes are stable and contains high melting point. Example: B2H6, B5H9, B6H10, B8H12, B10H14, etc. Second type, BnHn plus 6 type, where N may be 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. These type of boranes are unstable and contains low melting point. Example: B4H10, B5H11, B6H12, B9H15, B10H16, etc. Nomenclature: boranes are named as di, tri, tetra, pentaboranes according to number of boron atoms followed by numerals, for example 6, 9, 10, which indicates number of hydrogen atoms present in boranes. Example: B2H6 is named a diborane 6 or simply diborane, where 6 indicates number of hydrogen atom present in diborane. Similarly, B4H10 is named as tetraborane 10 or tetraborane, where 10 indicates number of hydrogen atom present in tetraborane. Preparation of higher boranes. There are some important methods to prepare higher boranes. First, Stokes method. Stoke prepared all the boranes except B9H15 by action of dilute hydrochloric acid or phosphoric acid on magnesium boride. This method gives mixture of various boranes. Mixture contains mainly B4H10 and very little B2H6. Reaction: when two molecules of magnesium boride react with 12 molecules of HCl, it gives 6 molecules of magnesium chloride plus B4H10 plus H2. Further, B4H10 reacts with H2 and gives 2 molecules of diborane. Second method is Wood's method. It is used to prepare B4H10 by the action of ethyl iodide on sodium amalgam. Reaction: when two molecules of ethyl iodide react with sodium amalgam, it gives B4H10 plus 2 sodium iodide. Third method is from diborane. First, higher boranes obtained by heating B2H6 at different temperatures. First, when two molecules of B2H6 is heated at -78 degree to 100 degree Celsius, it gives B4H10 plus H2. Further, when 5 molecules of diborane is heated at 100 degree Celsius, it gives B10H14 plus 8H2. When 5 molecules of B2H6 is heated at 115 degrees Celsius, it gives 2 molecules of B5H11 plus 4H2. Now, when 5 molecules of B2H6 is heated at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius, it gives 2 B5H9 plus 6H2. Second, B5H9 is obtained by circulating a mixture of B2H6 and H in a glass tube at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. Third, decomposition of B2H6 in silent electric discharge in presence of an inert gas gives a mixture of B4H10 40%, B5H9 20%, B5H11 30%, and a small amount of B9H15. Fourth method, by heating lower boranes. For example, when B4H10 is heated at 95 degrees Celsius, it gives B10H14. When B10H14 is heated at 200 degrees Celsius, it gives B5H9. On silent electric discharge, B5H9 gives B10H16. Second, when B4H10 is heated at 60 degrees Celsius, it gives B5H11, and when B5H11 is heated at 250 degrees Celsius, it gives B10H14. Third, when B4H10 is heated at 200 degrees Celsius, it gives B5H9. General properties. First, physical state. Most of boranes are volatile gases, liquids, or solids. Second, stability. BnHn plus 4 type boranes is more stable than BnHn plus 6 type of boranes. Structure of boranes. The structure of boron hydrides have been determined by X-ray diffraction, electron diffraction, and NMR methods. Structure of diborane. First, ethane-like structure. Molecular formula of B2H6 is similar to ethane, it means C2H6. For 7 covalent bonds, as in C2H6, diborane requires 14 valence electrons, whereas it contains only 12 such electrons, 3 from each boron atoms and 6 from 6 hydrogen atom. For 7 bonds, 2 electrons short. In fact, all the boranes are electron deficient compounds. Now we can see that in case of ethane C2H6 there is 14 electrons, and in ethane 12 electrons participate to form carbon-hydrogen bonds and 2 electrons form carbon-carbon bond. But in case of B2H6 there is total 12 electrons, in which 12 electrons participate to form BH bonds and no bond present between boron atoms. Hence, boranes are electron deficient compounds. Second, hydrogen bridge structure. According to electron diffraction, diborane has hydrogen bridge structure, which is shown in below diagram. 2 boron atoms B1 and B2 and 4 terminal hydrogen atoms present in same plane. It means 2 boron atoms, boron 1 and boron 2 atoms, and 4 terminal hydrogen atoms, where 4 terminal hydrogen atoms are first, second, third, and fourth, are in same plane, while 2 bridging hydrogen atoms are lie centrally above and below the plane and prevent rotation between 2 boron atoms. It means bridging hydrogens first and second are above and below the plane, which prevents rotation between boron first and boron second. Nature of bonds in hydrogen bridge. It is established by MOT as below. Electronic configuration of boron atom in normal state is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1, but in excited state it becomes 1s2, 2s1 and 2p2. These four orbitals contribute in hybridization and forms four sp3 hybrid orbitals, in which three are singly filled and last is empty. Types of bonds in higher boranes. First, terminal 2C2E or BH bond. It is simple covalent bond represented by BH. It formed by overlap of one singly filled sp3 hybrid orbital of boron atom and singly filled 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Here 2C2E represents that in BH bond formation, two atoms boron and hydrogen takes part and contribute single electrons each of them. BH bond contains two electrons. We can see that in diagram that these are four hybrid orbitals of boron atom, and these three orbitals are singly filled, which overlap with singly filled hydrogen atom and forms BH bond. Second, direct 2C2E or BB bond. It links two boron atoms formed by overlap of one singly filled sp3 hybrid orbital of one boron atom and one boron atom with singly filled sp3 hybrid orbital of other boron atom. Third, bridging 3C2E BHB bond. It links two boron atom and one hydrogen atom. It is formed by overlap of singly filled sp3 hybrid orbital of one boron atom, empty sp3 hybrid orbital of other boron atom, and singly filled 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. We can see that in this diagram there are two boron atoms. Boron 1 has three singly filled orbitals, which are first, second, third, and this is empty orbital, and boron 2 has three singly filled orbitals, which are first, second, and third, and this is empty orbital. To form this bond, boron first contribute is empty orbital and boron 2 contribute his singly filled orbital with singly filled 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Fourth, closed 3C2E BBB bonds. It links three boron atom. It is formed by overlap of singly filled sp3 hybrid orbitals of two boron atoms and one empty sp3 hybrid orbitals of one boron atom. Hence, it is denoted by 3C2E bond, in which three boron atoms take part but contribute only two electrons because one orbital is empty. These three hybrid orbitals are situated at corners of an equilateral triangle. Since this bond contains two electrons, each boron atom contributes 2 by 3 electrons for the formation of this bond. Fifth is bridging 3C2E BBB bonds. It links three boron atoms and also known as boron bridging bond. It is formed by overlap of two hybrid orbitals of two boron atoms and one p orbital of third boron atom. Since theoretically studies have not shown that presence of bridging 3C2E BBB bonds, all the boranes have closed 3C2E BBB bonds. We can see that in this diagram these two are sp3 hybrid orbitals of boron atom and this is p orbital of boron atom, which forms BBB bond. In this section, we will discuss about structure and bonding in some higher borans. First, tetraboran 10. In this, 4 boron atoms may be regarded as a portion of slightly distorted octahedron. This molecule contains 4 bridging 3C2E BH-B bonds, which are B1H-B3, second B1H-B4, third B2H-B4, and last is B2H-B3. It also contains one direct 2C2E BB bond, which is B1B2. It also contains 6 terminal 2C2E bond, which are B1H, B2H, B3H, B3H, B4H, and B4H. It means this molecule contains 4 bridging 3C2E BH-B bonds, 1 direct 2C2E BB bond, and 6 terminal 2C2E BH bonds. Second, pentaboran 9. 5 boron atoms occupy 5 corners of a square pyramidal. Each boron atom linked with one hydrogen atom by a terminal 2C2E BH bond. 4 boron atoms B1, B2, B3 and B4 situated at base of square pyramidal are bonded to each other by 3C2E BH-B bonds, while apex B5 boron atom is bonded to the basal two boron atoms B1 and B4 by 2C2E BB bonds. It also contains one closed 3C2E BBB bond. This molecule contains 5 terminal 2C2E BH bonds. First is B1H, B2H, B3H, B4H, and B5H. It also contains 4 bridging 3C2E BH-B bonds, which are B1H-B2, B2H-B3, B3H-B4, and B4H-B1. It contains 2 BB bonds, which are B1-B5 and B4-B5. It also contains one closed 3C2E BBB bond, which is B5-B3-B2 bond. It means this molecule contains 5 terminal BH bonds, 4 bridging BH-B bonds, 2 BB bonds, and 1 closed BBB bond. Third, hexaboran 10. 6 boron atoms situated at corners of pentagonal bipyramidal. Each boron atom is linked with one hydrogen atom by terminal BH bond. This molecule contains 6 terminal BH bonds, which are This molecule contains 6 terminal BH bonds, which are B1H, B2H, B3H, B4H, B5H, and B6H. It also contains 4 bridging BH-B bonds, which are B1H, B2, B2H, B3, B3H, B4, and B4H, B5. It also contains 2 closed 3C2E BBB bonds, which are B1, B2, B6, and B5, B6, B4. It also contains two BB bonds which are B1, B5 and B3, B6. It means this molecule contains 6 terminal, 4 bridging, 2 closed and 2 BB bonds. Fourth is decaborane. Boron atoms are arranged in two pentagonal pyramids with an edge common to both pentagonal pyramids. It contains 4 bridging BHB bonds in open phase. Each boron atom is linked with one hydrogen atom by BH bonds. It contains 10 terminal BH bonds which are B1H, B2H, B3H, B4H, B5H, B6H, B7H, B8H, B9H and B10H. It also contains 4 BB bonds which are B2, B5, B2, B7, B4, B8, B4, B10. It also contains 4 bridging BHB bonds which are B5H, B6, B6H, B7, B8H, B9, B9H, B10. This molecule also contains 4 closed BBB bonds which are B1, B2, B3, B1, B3, B4, B1, B5, B10 and B3, B7, BH.